Hello everyone, I am Abid and Siam. In this video, I will showing you how can convert keyword from word mesh to phrase mesh in onClick. So at first, I go to my ads group, then click add group. There are my all keywords. So click this option, then click edit, and go to change mesh type option. Then click change all mesh types. So here are automatically all keyword set as a broad mesh. So click broad mesh, then select phrase mesh, then click to apply. Now you will showing you the all keyword converted as a phrase mesh. So that's it for today. If you have any question or need any help, feel free to contact me.